Hmm, should I use a travel agent or should I just brainstorm and go on my own? Well, that's a question only you can answer. Now, us talk about travel agents. Now, first of all, before we get started, I don't ever want to bash any travel agent, any business, any company. I'm not here to bash that at all. And I'll explain why as we go. Now, as you know, I love to go to Germany. Germany is one of my favorite places to visit. I lived there for 6 years of my life, and I enjoy every moment that I am in Germany. And I'm so looking forward to go to Germany again. But I'm talking to the folks who have never been to Germany and who would like to go to Germany and would like to find out more on about how should I go about going to Germany? Should I use a travel agent or should I just brainstorm and go on my own? Let's go ahead and talk about travel agents, okay? Again, there's nothing against travel agents, nothing at all. They're great. They do a phenomenal job. They plan everything. I mean, everything from your flights to your hotels to your food to your tours to your destinations, everywhere you go. They even tell you to be somewhere at 2 o'clock or the bus is going to leave. Oh, I don't want to be on that bus. Anyways, and it costs tons of money. I'm talking anywhere from 3,000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9,000, even more per person to go on this trip. Okay. Now imagine taking a family of four, family of five, two, one person, 9 grand. Oh, that's just ooh, it's crazy. But anyways, like I said, it's great. They do a great job. Guess what else they do? For $1,000 more, they even tell you when to brush your teeth. So imagine that. Pay $1,000 more. They'll tell you when to brush your teeth. You don't have to do anything at all whatsoever. Ha! Okay. Now for the brainstorming part. Okay. Now, first of all, I want to encourage you, if you've never been to Germany or even consider going to Germany, to brainstorm. Brainstorm where you want to go. Do your research. You know what cities you like to visit, what regions of Germany, what different parts of Germany you like to visit, and come up with a plan. Definitely do that. But that is where I come in. Okay. Again, my name's Darren, and I help people set up their itineraries for Germany, especially first timers who've never been. I actually help folks who've been there a couple times and they reached out to me, and it was awesome to help them too. But I do this absolutely for free. I don't ask for nothing or anything. I do it from the bottom of my heart because I love sharing, first of all, my travels in Germany, and I love to tell everybody where I've been, my experiences, and again, just to share it. So if you're thinking about cost, don't think about it no more because there is no cost for me. Okay, all you need to do is contact me. I will help you with your flights, with your hotel bookings, where to stay, all that good stuff. Your food, give you ideas or you know, where to go, where should I eat this, should I eat that, whatever. Anyways, I'll sit down with you face to face and we'll go over an itinerary and make an itinerary to your liking, not to someone else's liking, whatever, to your liking. And first of all, first thing I'll do is get to know you, find out what your likes are, what your wants are, what you would like to see in Germany. And I'll set you up an awesome itinerary. And again, my only payment is a smile or that phone call or the email saying, "Hey, Darren, I really enjoyed my trip. Thank you very much for doing it." And that's my payment. And I am a happy-go-lucky guy. Anyways, again, I will help you with all that. So here's my question for you: why would you go pay all that tons of money? Now, if you want to, that's fine. I'm not knocking anything. In fact, I'm not even trying to discourage you from a travel agency. Okay, I'm just giving you another option. But why spend all that money when you don't have to? When you got a guy like me who loves Germany and who loves to share their travels, we'll do it for absolutely free and just having a blast. Anyways, I'm just another option. Again, I am not trying to discourage you from a travel agent. If you want to do that, that is fine. But also, if you want to pick my brain a little bit, all I'm saying is feel free to do so. Anyways, I'm going to cut this video short, and I just want to remind you, I have a live stream every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's called Morning Coffee with Darren, where we discuss Germany, Germany travel, or whatever comes up. On Saturdays, I have a live stream at 7 p.m. every Saturday evening, 7 p.m. Unless I have guests on my live stream that are in Germany, and I try to accommodate their time, and I change time a little bit, but I let everybody know in advance when that happens. Also, I have new content that comes out every Monday. Today's Monday. And also have a Facebook group page. Okay, just go to Magnificent Germany with Darren, and that's where you'll see all kinds of pictures and videos. Not only me, but other members in the group. They share their pictures and videos too. And we talk Germany stuff, Germany travel, and it's just a lot of fun. I also have an Instagram. I also have a Twitter. Now all that information is down below, right there in the comments below. You just go down in the comments. Right there in the description, excuse me, and you can click on each one and you'll be able to see it. So, in closing, feel free to contact me. Again, remember, there's no charge. That's number one. And no, this is not too good to be true. I'm just in a situation where I could help people, and that's what I like to do. This is a hobby of mine, and I want to see smiles out there. I want to see smiles, 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 smiles. And also, I will introduce you to this thing called spaghetti ice. Why can't I get through an interview without saying, or a video without saying spaghetti ice? Because I love spaghetti ice. You just wait until your first bite of spaghetti ice, because I can't wait to see or hear your reaction on that, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm really gonna leave now. I'm getting my goodbye face on, so until next time, Dankeschön, tschüss. Ah! Tschüss. Hallo? Wo ist die spaghetti ice? I'm looking for some spaghetti ice. Is this Germany?